Hey guys, so I've recently been MIA. So here's my reason. So I've started a new business, which is a small online WhatsApp business group. So in that you get all of these plants, all of these varieties. So I've used these cups. These all varieties of plants are available for sale. I will quickly show you what all plants are available for sale. Okay. So yeah, I have a Syngonium butterfly variant. I have the pink one, the pink Syngonium. You can see the variegation, and I have baby aloe veras, and I have this golden philodendron, which comes in a good pot, and I have rubber plants also. So these are all are homegrown, and you can see these all are homegrown and hand picked for your home. So grab yours now. So I'm starting this business out on this day, so please encourage me and give me all your support which I need. Thank you so much for watching.